Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a birthday card. First, let's gather everything you'll need to create your personalized card. You'll want to have a good quality cardstock, perhaps a 65-pound weight, along with sharp scissors, a reliable adhesive, and various decorative elements. Think about what kind of look you're going for, whether it's bright and playful or elegant and simple. Having all your supplies ready makes the creative process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's move on to designing your birthday card. Begin by folding your cardstock perfectly in half to create a crisp card base. Before you start cutting or gluing, it's a great idea to lightly sketch your design with a pencil. This allows you to experiment with layouts and ensure everything fits just right. Thinking about a theme, like balloons or flowers, or a consistent color palette, can really help bring your vision to life. With your design sketched out, it's time to bring your card to life through assembly. Carefully cut out all the pieces you've designed, paying attention to detail for clean edges. When attaching layers and embellishments, use a strong adhesive to ensure everything stays in place. Apply glue evenly and avoid using too much, which can warp the paper. It's important to let each section dry thoroughly, perhaps for 5 to 10 minutes, before adding more elements. Finally, let's add those special finishing touches to your handmade birthday card. This is where you truly personalize it. Write a warm and sincere message inside, making it unique for the birthday person. Then, add any last decorative elements like a sprinkle of glitter, a stamped image, or a few small gems. Double-check that all your pieces are securely attached and that the card is clean and tidy. Your thoughtful, handmade card is now ready to bring joy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.